For those of us who lives in tropical or subtropical areas, the month of April, May, June, I mean the summer month, they come with a lot of challenges like heavy heat and high humidity, which means lot of fungal problem, then also insect problem, and we don't receive that much rain in summer months, so I have to use groundwater, which gets very concentrated in this time, and which causes lots of salt burn in plants. So in the first part of this video I am going to concentrate on the challenges that I face, the plants that are suffering a lot. Certainly this Lisianthus is not suffering, but the roses are. So you can see the severity of leaf damage. Also aphid on chili plants, then spider mites, thrips, and those are also very common. Here is bird drop. I have lost all the birds in this cherry tree. Then nutrients deficiency in many plants, especially acid loving plants, and I do lose some plants each year during this time, and I think I'm going to lose this lantern hibiscus. You can see the stems are also dying back, and we also get lot of flying insects. This is some flying insects, they are damaging those leaves. You can see that kind of knitted pattern on the rose leaves. This one is a David Austin rose. And also we have monkey problem, snapped my sunflower, ate the buds of this climbing rose. I don't know why, but monkeys particularly like this particular climbing rose. But there is another good news is that we do receive some rain. It's not that we don't receive any rain. We get nor'westers this time. So it rained 3-4 days back, and the plants are showing some improvement, the roses especially. I mean, rainwater is really good for plants. I mean, this tibuchina I have been watering it with rainwater, while this one I have used groundwater and it died actually. And some plants like this plumbago, they just don't mind any water. Same with mogra jasmine. These are they thrive in hot humid climate. Pinwheel flower, they have lush green leaves and tiny white flowers. They are very common here. This one is a dwarf one. And also sweet autumn clematis, they just thrive in this weather. Pigeon flower, a blue one, they like hot humid climate also. They generally die in winter, sort of go dormant. So this is the garden. Some other plants that are doing well are alamanda, rudbeckia, corns, okra. This frog, he finds some moisture in this cocoa pit, quite a large frog. So that's the garden in the mid of May, and I think we are going to receive a cyclone by the end of this month. So don't know whether we are going to receive it or not, but they do cause a lot of damage. So let's hope for the best. And the lawn is looking quite patchy. It's all local grass. I don't water the lawn. It's just the rain that they receive. So that's it for today. Bye.